All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're in the truck. We're in the truck because it's quieter in the truck. There's too much shit going on inside the house. So, we're in the truck. And since today's subject matter kind of has something to do with vehicles, has everything to do with vehicles, I figured this was probably a fitting place to do this. We're going to talk about the E rating on regular gas. Normally, your E rating on your gas is 10%, which that's E10. As of May 1st, 6 days ago, it's changing to E15. It's 15% ethanol. That's bad news. Bad news for everybody, especially everybody that owns a car or drives a car on a daily basis that has a carburetor. Mainly because the E15 gas sucks moisture out of the air, and it will corrode the inside of your carburetors, all the rubber, plastic, and metal parts in a fuel system. It's terrible stuff. It will kill your car. And the reason why the EPA is doing this, see, they started doing that, talking about the, raising the ethanol level in the fuel in like 2010 and 2011. And it's been up for discussion about 5 or 6 times. And now they're doing it now. And mainly because it's for, on the premise of cheaper gas. And this truck, this is a 2013 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD 4-wheel drive. It's got a 6.0 liter engine. It's an automatic. Like I said, it's 4-wheel drive. There's probably 50 million of them driving on the road, but it's also my daily driver. And when something is your daily driver, you have to take care of it. This truck is a flex fuel truck. I can run the corn gas, but I mean, I don't run E85 in this truck at all. I never have in the almost 4 years that I've owned it. I've never ran E85. I can, and I know which gas station sells it. There's one in my town that sells E85. But I just don't use it. I just put Get Her Done 91 in it and let it be. But I mean, as far as, just the older vehicles, anything year 2000 and below, don't use this shit. I'm telling you right now, don't use it, because one tank of cheaper fuel is going to affect it 4 months down the road when you're going to put 5 or 6 grand into a fuel system. And it doesn't just ruin the fuel system either. It will affect the inside of the motor as well. It will kill your engine. It's bad news. It is. I mean, on top of that, Briggs and Stratton and Kohler, and what was the other one? I got notes right here in my lap here. Oh, and Honda issued warnings not to use it because it will kill small engines. Also, marine engines, Mercury Marine strictly forbids that, and it will void your warranty. If you own a brand new boat and you put that E15 rated fuel in your boat, and it kills your boat, your warranty is no longer in existence. They will not fix it. It will all be at your expense. Let's see what else. Let me look at my notes here real quick. The E15, the reason why it's so bad is because it pulls moisture out of the air. It will introduce that moisture, and it will corrode your rubber, plastic, and metal parts. And the only way to fix it would be to replace everything that's corroded. That's quite a bit of money. So either you want cheaper gas, or you just want to go out and buy a brand new car. That's what's going to happen. I mean, if you can't afford repair costs, the bill on a new car is even bigger. So, I mean, it's completely up to you. Let's see. The E15 rated fuel, you'll get 1 to 2 miles per gallon less with that fuel. It's no good. In this truck, pulling a what is it? It's a 28-foot camper trailer, but it's a Keystone Ultralight. It's a big camper. I get 22 miles per gallon in this truck. Pulling that trailer, I do it all the time. I mean, let's see what else here. I got to make sure I cover. Oh, Harley Davidson put out a memo to all the dealers, all the Harley dealers, saying that, you know, and they put it out to all the dealers to show that it's against federal law for you to use E15 in their motorcycles. I don't know how it's against federal law. I don't own a Harley Davidson anymore, but Harley Davidson says it's against federal law. If you own a 2013 Ford pickup truck, the E15 rating is the maximum you can push that engine, and that's not saying that it won't kill that engine, but there's a possibility you may get away with it, but it's just not worth the risk as far as I'm concerned. Let's see. Yeah, any boats, planes, lawn equipment, pressure washers, motorcycles, any of that, don't use it. Classic cars, anything with a carburetor, or anything that's your daily driver that gets you back and forth to work to put food on your table, I wouldn't use it. But in January of 2025, Donald Trump signed a bill. It's 14156, and that was for fuel prices and fuel economy and whatnot. And that's basically why they're introducing this stuff now. Cheaper gas is one thing, but putting cheaper gas in your car that may kill your car, that's something totally different. Don't use that crap. I'm telling you, it's bad news. Let's see. Did I cover everything in the notes? I think I did. Yep. I think I did. All right. 9 minutes, that ain't too bad. But anyway, that's all I got to say. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, punch the bell in the face for notifications. You know, leave us a comment, like the video, hype it, do all the YouTube things. And we'll catch you another time. Okay, so a couple of things before I get out of here. One is, don't blow up my comment section talking about your hatred for the president of the United States. It's not really him that did it. He signed the bill for cheaper fuel economy. It's the EPA that pushed this E15 rated fuel. Okay. So don't do that. And two, if you see the sticker on the pump change from 87 to 88, don't use 88 octane. It's going to kill your car.